Got a 2025 Honda Civic. To open up the key fob to replace the battery, basically all you need to do is split the remote open. The easiest way to do that is to go ahead and push the button you have here. That releases the door key that you have here. And that'll give you access to pry the remote open. So I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver like this. I'm gonna put it in here and just give it a little pop like that, okay? That will crack it open. Now you don't have to do that. You might have some trouble doing it that way. What you can do is snap this guy back together. If you have trouble popping it open that way, you can just get a small flathead screwdriver and just put it down underneath it, just like this. Wiggle it in there and just pop it open like that. Okay, you can see there's very minimal amount of marking that's done to the remote if you use a small enough screwdriver. Okay, it doesn't really harm it at all. But I ended up putting it right here where the door key kind of goes. Push it in there, pop. That might be a little bit easier for you. The rest of this is pretty simple. You just come over here and pry the battery out of its holder. And the battery size is a CR2032. If you need a battery, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon, gives you the link and everything for the right size. And it'll be a Panasonic battery just like the factory one here. They're fairly cheap. I think you can get two of them for like $5 there, so check that out. When you get your new one, you just place it in the remote like this, lock it in like that, okay? And then the cover can be a little tricky. Start at the top, snap it all back together, and then the door key will go back in and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe.